How to access 1xBet if blocked in your region. First of all, you need to use a reliable VPN service. A VPN helps you change your partial location to a country where 1xBet is not blocked. Simply download a trusted VPN app, connect to a server in a supported country, and then try accessing 1xBet again. Next, clear your browser cache and cookies. Sometimes old data can prevent the site from loading properly, especially if you tried to access it before. Clearing the cache ensures your connection is fresh and can help bypass the block. Another option is to use a different web browser. Some browsers might have restrictions or settings that interfere with accessing blocked websites. Switching to a browser known for privacy and security can improve your chances of reaching 1xBet. You can also try using the official 1xBet app if available. Sometimes apps use different servers or methods that help bypass regional restrictions better than websites. And that's it. Now you know how to access 1xBet if blocked in a region. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.